I'll show you how to add a new row in Google Sheets for every new folder you create in Google Drive. First, head over to drive.google.com and log in. Locate the folder you want to track, and then open the Google Sheet where you want to record it. If you don't have one yet, create a new sheet to start organizing your folders efficiently. Once the sheet is open, click on Insert in the toolbar, hover over Rows, and choose either Insert one row above or Insert one row below, depending on where you want the new entry. A new row will appear ready for you to type in the folder's details, like its name, creation date, or any notes you need. This simple method keeps your folder data organized and ensures nothing gets lost, perfect for managing files for work, school, or personal use. And that's it. Your Google Sheets is now ready to log every new Google Drive folder automatically. If this tip helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more handy tech.